Everyone wants to live close to the city, but not in the city. They want lush greenery and privacy. Well, where can you find that? You can find that at our newest listing, 5442 Barrister Place in the heart of Alexandria, Virginia. That's right, you get access and convenience. And now we're gonna walk you through this special home. Over 2,000 square feet on 3 fully finished levels. We're on the main level, and as you can see, the living room is perfectly appointed with a large bay window bringing light into this main level, along with the recessed lighting, and it naturally progresses into the dining room, perfect for entertaining and guests with your step out to your own private patio. But I want to show you what's unique about the kitchen, which is adjacent to the dining room. In the kitchen, you'll see the stainless steel appliances, the custom cabinetry, and there's 2 unique items that you need to know about. You have to think about functionality design in a kitchen, and one thing they have is the built-in trash can. Every townhome, you always wonder, well, where's the pantry? Is it accessible, and does it actually function? Not only that, it's built-in, and there's built-in drawers, which is a must-have when you're curating the perfect kitchen. As you transition to the upper level, you'll notice that the upgrade is not only on the main level with hardwood flooring, but also the staircase and the entire upper level also has hardwood flooring. In the primary suite, you have a step-in closet and an amazing upgrade to your primary ensuite where you have custom tiling from floor to ceiling and a glass surround as well as an additional closet. In addition, on the upper level, you have 2 bedrooms with their own private closet that share another bathroom. On the lower level, you'll notice the high ceiling heights, recessed lighting, the perfect wood-burning fireplace, and they've even positioned it for your new TV that will go up in the ideal recreation room. We want to invite you into your private retreat. That's right, directly off the main level, you have this beautiful brick patio with fully fenced in area. And as you notice, we're not siding to anyone, so you actually have some privacy. Speaking of bricks, this is a brick surround. So you don't have brick and then siding. It really catches the eye and has amazing curb appeal. When we're talking about location, you don't get any better than Holland Towne, situated right off of 395 with close proximity to multiple metro stops and even the bus line. So if you're thinking of convenience and accessibility, this is the home for you. Reach out this week for your own private tour.